Hey! In front of me is REALME 10 and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this REALME. Begin by opening Calendar app. Now, if you never used it before, click on this little icon at the bottom right corner and choose Got It. Then click on Allow in the pop-up and tap on the month above. Then pick a date by clicking on the chosen one and create your event by tapping over here twice or selecting this plus icon at the bottom right corner and choosing event from the list. Either way, now you can adjust it however you wish to. For example, add a title. Over here you can select your email address and one of those options like events, pick starting hour and ending one. If you don't need to do that, just tap on this sweater next to all day to disable this feature completely. Then click on Does Not Repeat and click on one of those options if you want your event to repeat like every year. You can also set up custom and adjust it however you wish to. Then save it by choosing Done at the top right corner. If you don't want it to repeat though, tap on the same option and select Does Not Repeat. Now scroll down, add people, videos and even choose Add Location. Click on While using the app or only this time and type in an address of your happening. Then click on the correct result, swipe down and tap on Add Notifications. Select one of those options or click on Custom and adjust it. I will go with 3 days before. To save your changes, click on Done. You can also change color of your event, take some notes, add attachments and finally save it by tapping on Save at the top right corner. As you can see, my event was successfully added. In order to edit it, just click on it and tap on this pen icon at the top right corner. Then make your changes. You can discard them by clicking on this X at the top left corner or save them by tapping on Save at the top right one. In order to get rid of your event though, just click on it again, tap on those 3 dots at the top right corner, select Delete from the list and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!